Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uba Kyrmen Jilla Menteri Ketenat Excise jong Sarkar Jilla Ulaong. Bahaba uye kendo ye ki bre ki bapendap ye ki form na benta ban yo penmi ye ki local wine na por ki ai ka jingero ye ketenat terekam jong Sarkar na benta ka jing sedang jong ka ye ka kam. Badu Ulaong. Ba Kyrmen lingba ka ni kan yarap ban penmentoy ye ki bre ki balatep kerteng na benta ka jing penmi ye ka local wine. Haba ya keren berkilat pathai kubor menta kasngi kalai potrik ukalaling kot arjar arpusau na kaliang menteri ketenat sorkar uloong bana kaliang sorkar kan bishar bat benia bha haga bade ka Kyndon pisa bat ka Jingbit kamru na ka bentaban penhe bat penyar yaki winery bat Kyrmen ba hisin kasngi ka jela Meghalaya kan yo ya kan nam kum ka jela ka bala ban penmi bon ki wine wat ladakam day shaki we pat ki benta jong ka pertheiru Hynrei ka jing sedang kan longshwa hagari baro ka way. Hagabade bat ka kiat Khasi na kaliang ba Kyrmen uloong bakum katanat kala Kwah ban ai Jingbit no ban di pat ba ye ki kiat Khasi Hynrei namar ba Kyndon ki Kyndon bahap ban bot kumta dong don kam ban am ye ka jing menjor na kaliang ka kinhon menteri jong ka sarkar bat wala kataru kum katanat kayai punslor bat ai men sim ye ki breu ki basna ye ki kiat Khasi bakin nang penmi ye ki mar jong ki.
Actually, I have seen that, especially those friends who apply for the local wine. So whenever I meet them, they always praise the department, the government as a whole for this initiative. But exactly the number as of now, I don't have it with me. But I believe that is a good thing we have introduced, and as I've just mentioned, that hopefully this will be benefiting for them because they got a chance to go and do their show their materials even sometimes to out of the state, so that is a great thing. So let's hope for the best. As of now I cannot give any comments, but it's just a hope, and then we will try to fulfill the what to say, if there is anything of support from our department, we'll always be with them.
Well, Ma, since last time this winery was open here in the state capital, so some more wineries is the department planning to open up in other district as well.
We will see as per the budget and the requirement. So for that, if we feel that more is required and then to extend it, we will find if the budget and then as per the as per our potential, we would love to extend it. And that's why one day is our vision and the chief minister's vision. So one day would like to see that Meghalaya is one of the biggest supplier of the wine, if not in the world, at least in India. That is our vision. So hopefully this will come through.
How is the response of this winery? Means,
As of now, they have not updated me personally, but I don't have the details also regarding with this. But we will collect it by the end of the year. So let's see. Hope for the best.
Meghalaya has so much in the field of horticulture. Meghalaya is doing good, even selling pineapples, oranges, and other fruits. So how will help the state government to have this better wine?
To have a better wine, actually, what is the process, what is the technical, there I really don't have it with me. But I believe that by encouraging, by giving support to these private individuals, those who wants to start their wine, so that is one step ahead. Later on, if we feel that is needed for us to increase it in a large picture from the government side, that will take another steps. So as of now, we would like to give a free hand to the people of our state, those who really wants to go ahead with this wine. From our side, we can provide them the paperwork, especially the license. So that is one thing we try to speed it up. Actually, the government will accept it or not ngam tip ya kata Hynrei ka nalen jong department jong ni persang ya kata kenapa nomor hang ni kan don ke costing mo jong ke project te kata costing bidang wat kilat kilanti kenapa kanum kata ya ke revenue jong ni plus ke jing luching step lada ki company ki ba introduce ya kene ni Kwah hi ki bakin wat kilat kilanti ban find alternative ba ndena ka state exchequer ya kini kijing luching step. So yakini ngidang persang hadu mentang yung panut panong ba exactly whether finance department will accept it or not. So tang diga hope jongi like a department. Hopefully, finance department, ke planning, they'll have a longkin page niya ma yakani ke outcome kala ban long ka benefits ke stage ni.
Kat no kat cost jong kan ka.
Mentah empat ayun is still starting jang project, so ngin sa batay yakani dalam apa ke por.
Holi buat kan ka kiat ni iba kadon ka kiat Khasi ro ni kita kiat on kita gerai kuya atau kadon kadon lo jing semua pi on ban promote pat kini ro
Hoi yakani ke kiat Khasi jong ni khantam ni Kwah hi ba ngin legalize no in a systematic khantam ba hakuno ko rukom re nomor hang ni apa department jongi kibun bhagita ki Kyndon jong ka ain bengi habut ladang imle kat kum ka ain syap pun chitong kala tenagata ka daw as per ka guidelines leni kat kum ka ain ba sha yangi ban yarap khamtam yakin ki local ni rekwa e ban yarap saya do mentang empat yo bhagita ki potential hakanu ko kom begin introduce yakin ka local drinks jongi Hynrei shisen ladon ka jing ikren verbally but siam bang yong ba khamtam yakin ki local drinks jongi kata ngin part 1 long ba ka approval jong ka cabinet Hynrei is just ka jing thmu jongi mo ladang ila ban introduce yakin ki jingdi jongi ki local drinks hakino kino ki programs ya kata ngi persang ban shim ya ka bai what they call it kanika how ka bai license or ka fees namanta kata gedi ka way ka lat bingi kwa panira tingi persang hi ban encourage ya khamta mi kiniki perlok ki pada snai ki local wine chumi. So hopefully can long benefits yakini nila issue pun haki ayu ki individuals mo yani ki firm ki bla ya snai ki local wine. So as of now ngin panot ban ong na mark hadi ka jingstang jongki, but hopefully one day ngin boost and then the world will know our local wine.